Every process begins in the soil.
Timing defines the harvest. Machines free the crop. Human hands finish the job. Volume builds fast. Quality starts early.
Preparation begins immediately.
Movement creates momentum. Flow converges. Precision begins. Distance begins. Preserves quality. Flow replaces labor. Preparation immediate. Gravity starts process. Human eyes matter. Design serves efficiency. Cleanliness enforced. Every step monitored.
Factory takes control.
Cleanliness begins. Every surface exposed. Preparation continues. Fast decisions. Only best proceed. Technology selects. Accuracy at speed. Uniformity matters. Final cleanse.
Prompt 46, air knife visual, air removes surface moisture, camera, close pan, sound, airflow, connection, dry bulbs, narration, dry surfaces protect.
Prompt 47, camera, wide tighten, sound, idle hum, connection, gate opens, narration, flow paste. The feed gate retracts upwards, releasing a controlled cascade of perfectly dry garlic bulbs onto the conveyor belt below.
Layers removed. Layers removed.
Prompt 50, mechanical peeling, visual, outer skin stripped, camera, sidetrack, sound, whir, connection, clean cloves, narration, efficiency engineered.
Prompt 51, clove separation, visual, bulbs split into cloves, camera, overhead pan, sound, clicks, connection onto belts, narration, uniform feed.
Quality refined. Preparation for drying. Consistency engineered. Uniform drying ensured.
Prompt 56, pre-drying spread. Visual, slices spread evenly. Camera, side pan, sound, belt hum. Connection, even load. Narration, uniform heat.
Water must leave.
Prompt 58, dryer feed. Visual, slices enter dryer. Camera, forward, sound, fans, connection, inside chambers. Narration, heat awaits.
Transformation starts. Conditions set. Water removed by time.
Prompt 62, evaporation. Visual, steam vents visible. Camera, close. Sound, airflow. Connection, stable color. Narration, moisture escapes.
Prompt 63, slice drying. Visual, slices dry evenly. Camera, tracking. Sound, heat. Connection.
Fineness preserved.
This is the color stabilization stage, controlled cooling. The camera side pans over the powder line, where the
Prompt 66, cooling conveyor. Visual, product exits dryer. Camera, tracking. Sound, fans, connection. Temperature drops. Narration, heat leaves.
Structure stabilizes. Dryness confirmed. Ready for next. Automation takes over.
Flake screening. Screens remove fines. Camera side. Sound rattle. Connection uniform flakes. Consistency ensured.
Particle size achieved. Hands-free flow. Systems synchronized. Timing defines efficiency. Clean systems last. Capacity meets demand. Machines check machines. Safety without stopping. Flow never rushed. Stability confirmed. Path chosen. Balance prevents loss. Refinement begins. Control is precise. Purity refined. Safety ensured. Final touch. Conditions locked.
Prompt 90, finishing bins. Visual, short resting bins. Camera, crane. Sound, gentle movement. Connection, sensors steady. Narration, product rests.
Approved to pack.
Prompt 93. Close transfer. Visual. Sealed lines to packing. Camera. Track. Sound. Pump. Connection. Descend. Narration. No compromise.
Packaging awaits. Precision meets presentation.
Prompt 96. Line start. Visual. Conveyors start moving. Camera. Forward. Sound. Motors.
Quality verified. Dryness quantified.
The precision of the particle size analyzer is critical for quality control. As the data is processed, the technician
Appearance matters.
Prompt 102. Microbial prep. Visual. Sterile testing prep. Camera. Pan. Sound. Airflow. Connection. Sealed. Narration. Safety invisible.
Performance ensured.
Numbers agree.
Green light given. Records preserved. Oversight continues. Now it's a product. Accuracy matters. Sealed for protection. Identity applied. Traceability permanent. Speed meets consistency. Order at scale. Protected for journey. Awaiting dispatch.
Prompt 117. Visual. Palette staged. Camera. Steadicam. Sound. Activity. Connection. Truck backs. Narration. Route is planned.
From factory to market. Everything accounted.
And this is how Factorya shows how modern factories produce dehydrated